Hello everyone, this quick tutorial will explain the process of logging Go York hikes in the Beanstack Tracker app. After creating or logging into your account, you will need to register for SummerQuest. The Go York activities can be found from within the SummerQuest challenge. Tap the Discover icon at the bottom of your screen to view available challenges. Scroll until you see SummerQuest, and tap Register to join the challenge. Now that you've registered for the challenge, you may begin logging your Go York posts. Tap the blue plus sign at the bottom of your screen. It will ask you what you want to log. Tap Activity and select the participant whose account you wish to log for. A list of all available activity challenges will then appear. Tap the activity with Go York in the name to view and log your Go York hike. A list of all the current Go York park posts will then appear. To complete the activity, enter the 4-digit code that you unveiled from the rubbing of the park post. Tap Save to complete your log. Repeat this process for each additional participant. As you log park posts, you will earn virtual badges. Each virtual badge counts as another entry into the Go York Grand Prize drawing. If you log all 30 parks, you'll earn a total of 5 entries into the Go York drawing. You'll have 1 week after the end of SummerQuest to complete logging your parks. Happy hiking, York County!